Hey everyone, wanted to do this for a little bit here, just trying to find some time. Anyway, this is the LK screen protector. I kept this one just for this video. I took it off my wife's old phone while we were waiting for her screen protectors. Anyway, this is the LK screen protector. It's kind of a softer material. It's really pliable. This is what I run on my main front screen. Works well with the fingerprint reader and everything like that, and feels pretty good, similar to like what a tempered glass screen protector would feel. In one of my previous videos I said I used this and I cut it for the second screen here. With this screen protector on the second screen, I was noticing some issues, or every now and again I would have the back of the Frospector here stick or suction cup to the second screen display. I was trying to figure out a good way around that, and what I came up with is trying a new screen protector for the second screen. This screen protector is a Super Shield screen protector, and it's specifically cut for the LGWing's second screen. It's made out of a harder plastic that's a little more rigid and harder to the touch. It doesn't feel like it's as soft of a material as the LK screen protector. And I replaced my LK screen protector with the Super Shield screen protector, and since then I've had no suction cupping issues for when you are opening and closing the device. So anyway, I just thought I'd update you guys on that if you're having that problem. It may be that your second screen protector is kind of causing some issues there. So hopefully that helps some folks out, and hope you all are enjoying yourselves and enjoying your wings and your front screen protectors. All right, take it easy.